I think learning about climate change is super important because it helps me and everyone else know why it's happening and what we can do about it. It teaches us how to make smart choices, talk to others about it, and work together to protect our planet. It's a big deal for our future, and we all need to be part of the solution. In this course about climate change educations through IBSE, I want to figure out how to teach climate change in a way that's easy for everyone to understand. I want to learn in a fun and practical ways to get people interested and involved. By doing this, I hope to become really good at explaining climate change and inspiring others to take actions that help our planet. Thank you.